Hello friends, I am Vedant Jyoti. Actually in this video I am discussing about properties of matrix multiplication. Okay, so first one is it follow associative law of matrix. Okay, so if you multiply, suppose there are three matrices A, B and C. First you multiply A and B, and after the resulting matrix multiply with C, it gives some results. Okay, it also equivalent if you add firstly two matrix B and C, and after that if you multiply first B and C and after that you multiply with A, both are equivalent. Okay, so this is associative law of matrix. Okay, and this is associative law. Now second most important properties of matrix multiplication: whenever A, B and BA are exist, it is not necessary condition AB equals to BA. Okay, this is not necessary condition. It might be possible A into B exists, but B into A is not exist. It can be occur. I am not 100% we can say that A, B and BA are equal. This is not a necessary condition. Okay. Now third one is product of two matrix can be zero or null matrix will neither of them is zero matrix. Here you understand from this example, A and B are two matrix have element 0 1 0 0, and in case of B this is 1 0 0 0. If you multiply A into B, then resulting matrix is 0 0 0 0. That means what? It is null matrix. Will A and B both anyone is not a zero matrix, will product of two matrices is 0. So it might be possible. Okay, it might be possible. This is question: if this matrix is equals to this matrix, then find the value of x, y, z and w. Actually this question is based on equality condition. If you know what is the condition of two matrices are equal, then you can solve it. Okay, so in case of equality matrix, corresponding elements are equal. Okay, you know, so x minus y, we can write x minus y is equals to minus 1. You have any problem? Okay, now this is equation 1 and this element also equal to 4, so we can write z equals to 4. This is equation 2, and again 2x minus y is also equals to 0. So 2x minus y is equivalent to 0. This is equation 3rd, and w is also equivalent to 5. This is equation 4. So actually z and y is already solved it. Z is equals to 4 and w is equals to 5. Here need of only the value of x and y. What is the value of x and what is the value of y? So now consider equation 1 and 3. From equation 2 we can write 2x is equals to y. That means y equals to 2x. So just put the value of y in equation 1. Then we can write x equals to, x minus, what is the value of y? This is 2x. So on the place of y we can write 2x, and this is equals to minus 1. Okay, so it gives minus x is equals to minus 1. So x is equals to 1. So x equals to 1. Now the value of x put in equation 1 and we get the value of y. So put x is equals to 1 in equation 1. We get one minus y is equals to minus 1. Okay, so minus y is equals to minus 2. Is it clear? So y is equals to 2. So the value of x is equals to 1, y is equals to 2, w equals to 5 and z equals to 4. This is the value of x, y, z and w. Okay. Now second question based on multiplication of matrix. Actually I am taking small example. Actually procedure is same, apply on 3 cross 3 matrix and 4 cross 4 matrix, but I am only taking 2 cross 2 matrix for multiplication. Okay, so how to multiply? A dot B or A multiply with B. So A is what? 2, 3, 1, 2 and B is 0, 1, 2, 1. Okay, so approach is first we consider first column in second matrix and first row in A matrix. Okay, so 2 multiply with 0, it gives 0, and 1 multiply with 2, it gives 2, and simply add them. Okay, now 3 multiply with 0, it gives 0, and 2 multiply with 2, 4, and simply add them. Okay, now again consider second column on matrix B. Okay, so 2 multiply with 1, it gives 1, and 1 with 1 give 1, and simply add them. Now again 3 multiply with 1, it gives 1, and 2 multiply with 1, it gives 2, and simply add them. Okay, so this is equivalent to 2, 4, 3 and 5. This is answer.